Hi everyone and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today is a very simple, quick, ready in less than 15 minutes boiled egg masala. Now I leave the instructions of how to boil the eggs at the end of the video. It's very simple, even for beginners, it's super simple. So now I'm going to show you how to chop up the egg and all the other ingredients, and let's get started, and I'll meet you at the other end of the video. Here I have 2 boiled eggs. I'm going to show you how to chop the eggs. So just cut them in the center and then just chop them like this and into halves. Okay, similarly just chop it, and then just cut it into half. So this is your chopped egg. So this is our chopped egg. Now besides that, we require a few curry leaves, salt to taste, chilli powder and turmeric powder. This is 1 medium onion that I've chopped fine. This is 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, the juice of half a lemon, some fresh coriander for garnishing, and here I have some powder masalas. This is pepper powder, this is garam masala, Kashmiri chilli powder and coriander powder. So these are all the ingredients we require, and some oil. So let's get started. So now I'm going to heat a pan, and once the pan is hot, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil. Let the oil heat up well. Once it's heated up, I'm going to add half the quantity of the chili powder. So that's 1/4 teaspoon. We're going to retain 1/4 teaspoon. Similar with the turmeric or haldi powder. Just add 1/4 teaspoon and a pinch of salt. Now we're going to add these chopped up boiled eggs. And we're going to give it a good fry along with the masala and the salt, so that the masala coats the eggs really well. And also fry the eggs. So I took about 2 to 3 minutes for this procedure. Just fry them well in this oil which has been flavored with the red chili powder and the turmeric powder and the salt. Now it does become a little frothy, that's very normal. Now transfer it to a separate bowl. You can scrape off all of this with a spatula, silicone spatula. Wipe your bowl pan clean. Now to the same heated pan, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. Once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add the curry leaves. We're going to fry these curry leaves really nice till they become nice and crispy. Then I'm going to add 1 chopped onion. This is a medium sized onion that I've just chopped fine. Now we're going to fry the onions till it becomes nice and soft. So I fried it for about 1 to 2 minutes on a low to medium flame. Next I'm going to be adding this ginger garlic paste. Fry the ginger garlic paste also very well till the rawness of the ginger and garlic goes away. It's very important that you always fry the onions really nicely for any dish, because that way it even the life of the dish remains longer also if you have a good bagar. Now we're going to add the remaining of the turmeric powder and the red chili powder, that is 1/4 teaspoon each, because in total we were going to use half teaspoon of each. So add that. And I'm also going to add the remaining powder masalas, that is the pepper powder, the coriander powder, the Kashmiri chili powder and the garam masala. Now mix everything well. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water because we don't want to burn the powder masalas. So fry everything well with this water. Give it a good mix. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water because we want a semi-dry kind of a dish. Mix everything well. At this point, you can even give it a taste test to see if you want to adjust it to your taste. Now I'm going to add this egg mixture which we had fried with some turmeric, salt and red chili powder. Mix everything gently now because we don't want to break the eggs at this point. And now we're going to cover and cook on a very low heat for 3 to 4 minutes to bring everything together. Now give it one gentle mix. You can turn off the heat. And now we're just going to garnish it with some very finely chopped coriander leaves, say about 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm also going to add the lemon juice. And now again you can give this a nice gentle mix. And our lovely boiled egg masala is all ready. This goes very well with some chapatis, puris, pav, pulao, rice. It's just very easy to prepare and makes a great tiffin item as well. So please try it out, guys. So guys, wasn't that a real easy recipe even for beginners, people who are just learning to cook, students? It's a super simple recipe, especially if you like boiled eggs. So if you like today's video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Do hit the notification bell. Also, there is a new feature called hype. That is, if you like my video, you can just hype it and other people will also come to know about my video. Do leave your comments in the comment section below and do share my recipes with family and friends. I have more than 3,000 recipes on my channel. So whenever you're looking for my recipe, just type it in the YouTube search button and type Akshata's recipe with an apostrophe S and my recipes will show up. So thank you for being on my channel. Thank you for being here, watching my videos, leaving your comments, giving your likes, supporting my channel. It means the world to me. So I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. Thanks for watching. This is Akshata signing off. Be kind to yourself, be kind to one another, and take care. Bye.
Boil eggs to the perfect hard boil consistency. So what I do is I first place the eggs in a large bowl of water and I put it onto the heat and I let this water come to a boil on a medium to high flame. And when it starts boiling vigorously like this, we're going to let it boil for a good 5 whole minutes. And after that, I'm going to turn the flame off and I'm going to let the eggs remain in this water till the water comes to room temperature. And once it's come to room temperature, I'm just going to put them under some cold water, running water. And then once they're nice and cool, I'm just going to remove the peel like this. It comes off very, very easily. Without any effort. And that's it. We've got these beautiful hard-boiled eggs.